Hello students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Science 8th Standard. Students, as a long days after, today we are going to start again live classes. So students, it is my sincere request to all of you, whatever that in that off classes we have started or continued that from that time, from that place to you have to every day whatever the video you are getting or watching, that must be mentioned or you have to write on your notebook. So today we are going to start that, continue that our 14th chapter, light. So in previous offline classes already I have told you, I have explained about that, what is that eye, and what is that structure, and what is the working of the eye. And also I have told you one very important term, that is the persistence. The persistence means what is that? That is one ability. Students, you have seen that whenever you see that one object continuously, if you will remove that object, that also you will see that in your mind or in your brain it will be stay. That is called as a persistence. That means the ability to see that objects continuously after removing the object. If the object also not there also, you will think, you will feel that object also is there. Yes. So in that already you have studied that in your offline classes. But students, today we are going to start about that what is that accommodation. And what do you know that accommodation? Accommodation means the ability of the eye to alter that focal length of its lens so that it can be clearly see all the objects within a certain range is called accommodation. That means to see that one object, it should be required there in focal length. Of the lens, whenever that will focus that one object that can see clearly. If there is no focus, there is no focal points that are correct not there range, then we cannot see the object. That is called as accommodation. Did you understand, friends? Accommodation means whenever that one object is there on particular point, that is focal point is there, if it is forming that image, then we can see that. Sometimes what will happen, students, that whenever we are seeing that object, it will it should be formed, that image should be formed at retina. Okay, then only that image will go to that received by that sense optic nerves, and then it will go to that brain, and the brain will detect that this object is this. Okay, so but if sometimes what will happen, due to the defects of the eyes, what will happen, that focal length it will change, that image will form before the retina and sometimes after the retina. Okay, due to this there are different types of defects of the visions are there, different types. So we will go that later. But what is that accommodation? That means due to these defects are creating, by that whenever it needs that one particular focal length. Okay, one focal length, according to that adjustment, that focal length, then image can see that clearly, or the object can see that clearly. That is called as accommodation. Okay, so now see that for that one particular range is there, friends. So, you know that if you, while you are reading time, you must read very carefully. If one particular distance if you keep that your book, then it will be more impact to your brain and it will be remember also easily. Sometimes what we are careless with, we are doing that more far distance we are keeping the books, which one sometimes you will get that headache, and sometimes you will keep nearby, that means you will get that letter sizes are very big and you will get that irritation. So one particular distance we can see that object very clearly. Okay, so that is also must you have to do. So the least means how much distance, means particular how much least distance we can keep that one object that can see easily or clearly. That is called as what is that least distance, means the least distance at which the normal eye can see the object. That means suppose if there is no defect of your eyes, then how much distance that object you can see clearly, that is least distance. That is called as least distance of that normal eye, and that is normal, generally 25 centimeters. How much means 25 centimeters. That means from your eyes to 25 centimeters the distance, if you will keep that object, then if it is your, there is no defect, then we can see clearly that object. And next one is what is that, friends? The far distance. That means how much far you can see. For a normal eye, that is one infinite distance. If you are good, healthy, your eyes are there, then I see there, then we can see that Far, more far means infinite distance also you can see clearly that object. So that is called as a far distance. Okay. So now see that the near point of the normal eye is how much means 25 centimeter. Okay. Now see the maximum distance at which a normal eye can see an object clearly is called the far point of the eye. Far point, what is that? Now which are more distance, how much distance we can see means maximum how much, now infinite distance we can see that maybe 5 kilometer, maybe 2 kilometer or 1 kilometer. What is that one maximum distance? That is infinite. We cannot find out that particular, we don't know it. Okay, so that is called as what a far point, and near point means 25 centimeter. That one, if you click near, it is you will feel that irritation or you will headache or something you will feel. But particular 25 centimeter distance if you are seeing, then you are healthy. Your eyes is okay. The far point for a normal eye is infinite. So if what is that, like that least distance or short distance or near point of the normal eye is how much? 25 centimeter. Same like far point how much? Na infinite distance. Okay friends, these are about that accommodation of that eyes, and how much particular focus it will come focal, and then it will be, we can see that object clearly. Okay, that is the distance from the focal, that focus point. Okay, so now we will discuss about the students defect of vision. So while we are reading, sometimes what will happen, due to that why we cannot see that more distance. Some students, you have observed that if they will sit in the back of your classes, back of benches, then they cannot see that the boards, whatever the teachers are teaching, they cannot see that. Why? What is the reason behind it? Because their eyes, there is some defects. Okay, and these defects causes, there is so many problems, so many ways there, so many reasons are behind it. What are that? Maybe sometimes first nutrients, that nutrients, if there are lack of nutrients. Second one is bad habits readings. Okay, and so many reasons are there, and also age due to that age, over ages, and genetic problems also there. Due to this are overcome. If you see that due to this reason, sometimes that children or that anybody, they can, the person can face the defect, the problems. Okay, so there are generally how many types? There are 3 types of defects are there, students. One is myopia, second one is hypermetropia, and presbyopia. In presbyopia you will go and higher classes you can study also, and also color blindness also is there. So what are that? You want you should observe that. The nutritional deficiency. First one is nutritional deficiency. This is and wrong reading habits, age related. This is generally 3 factors are there to which for that that eye or that one persons cannot see, or they are having the own defects. Okay, causes sometimes causes this defect of a vision, and generally there are myopia, that is called as also short sightedness, hypermetropia, that is called as also far sightedness, and presbyopia. Okay, and these are generally 3 generally, and also color blindness also is there, friends. You can write also color blindness. Color blindness means they cannot see that detect the color, which are red or blue or that, just the black and white light. Why? Because there in the retina there is 2 sensitive, that optic cells are there, very sensitive cells are there, which are sending that signals or that information to the brain. That is one is cone, another one is rod. Okay, and that they are sending to that information, that message by the signals. So that one they are unable, they have some problems, the cones and cells, that rods. Okay, so due to that they are facing that what color blindness, means they cannot detect that what color. Okay, so now we will discuss about that what is the myopia, next hypermetropia and presbyopia, then about we will discuss about that what its correction. Okay.